Hi everyone, welcome to Bodhi Coding. In the previous video, we have seen about the data cleaning, and now we are going to see about the cleaning the target variable. So I already told that machine learning model will be only accept the data in the format of numerical values, and we have the target variable left as the yes or no value. Now we are going to change this value into the numerical. So we are going to replace the values yes with 1 and no will be 0. So to do that, we are going to use an method called apply. So the apply means it will be take the function, and the values from the data frame for the particular field will be passing to that function, and the operation will be calculated. The operation will be held to calculate the return values. So I'm going to first initiate that column. So left value, which I'm going to change. Now I'm going to make that left with apply method. So in that I'm going to pass a function which will convert this left values into zeros and ones. So now I'm going to use a lambda method to create a simple simple function. So it will be x, it will be the argument here. Now I'm going to make it 1 if x it will be yes, else it will be 0. Now what will be happen here? So for each row, the left column value will be passed to this method. So this x will get that value, and it will map 1 if it is yes, or else 0. So now I'm going to execute this. So if I get the unique value from this left column, it will be zeros and ones. The same count will be we have seen before, that for the s and value here. Yeah, here now will be 11,428 respectively. Here the 0 will be 11,428 and the 1 will be 3571. Here also it is 3571.